Hi everyone, in this video I will show you the flat version of this cable work. This is the second video of the cable work series. And I really like this cable work very much. I want to share it with you. I will use Lamia wool easy and 5mm crochet hook. You can choose your own yarn and hooks. It's not too important. And if you have any question, please leave comments. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And let's start. For this cable work, you will need multiples of 8. If you want, you can put some backpost double crochet like I did here, but you'll not have to. Now I will make 16 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. That will be a little sample, and I will put just 3 more chains because I want to put a half double crochet before start and at the end. Just put 3 more. Yarn over, skip 2 into the 3rd chain, make a half double crochet, yarn over and pull through for all the loops you have. And I have 2 half double crochet now. Just count this 2 chain as a half double crochet too, and keep making. I try to make these videos beginner friendly, but if you're a new beginner, if you don't know how to make a half double crochet or double crochet, it could be a little hard for you. You can make it, of course, but you must work a little more than the who knows crocheting. I complete my half double crochet row. I'll count them. I have 18 half double crochets. Chain 1, turn. Make a half double crochet into 1st stitch. And you see that stitch, we will not use this stitch, we will use this half double crochets. We will make our front post double crochets around this half doubles. That's the first one, don't count this one. We will skip 2, yarn over twice around this 3rd one, insert your hook from here like that. Grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and one more time. That's a front post triple. Yarn over twice and make it one more time from this next stitch. 1, 2, 3. And now we will turn back these 2 and make front post triple again. Yarn over twice, we will not turn like that. We will go under these 2 triple. We'll go like that. Just insert here. Maybe you can make easily with this way. You can make it like that. That's our 2 half double crochets. Just put these 2 like that and work into them, around them. That's the first one. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over twice. And second is somewhere here. Yes, it's here. 1, 2, 3. Now yarn over twice, we will make the left side this time. That's the hard side. That will be the easy one. Skip 2, insert here, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over twice, into the next one, 1, 2, 3. And yarn over twice, this time directly go around this skipped half double crochet and make a triple. 3, and that's the next one. We complete the first one. Now we will make it one more time. Skip 2, one, 2 front post triple, and there's a yarn problem again. Yarn over twice, go under this 2. That's the first one. We will make front post again. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Second. Now we will make the other side. Skip 2. Yarn over twice, turn back. 1, 2. I complete the second one, and I will make a half double crochet into that very last stitch here. I'm using half double crochet because these triples, I made them cross, as you know. It's same height with half double crochet now. And chain 1, turn. Make a half double crochet into first stitch. And we will work back post double crochets now. It's double crochet because we will not work cross this time. We'll just follow this stitch and make back post double crochets. I will insert my hook from back to front and around this triple back again. Grab the yarn, 1, 2. That's the second one, 2, and I'm here now. 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm at the other side. I complete the first one. One, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. 7 and 8. And I will make a half double crochet here. Finish this row. If you want, you can make one row with front post double crochet, then one row with back post double crochet. You can make here a little longer, but I want to show you one more time, so I will make the cable work directly again, starting with a half double crochet, yarn over twice, skip 2, 1, 2, 3, and make it one more time. Yarn over twice. I will make front post double crochet around these 2 and under these 2 again. Just hold them like that. You can see these 2 easily. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We finished the first side. Now we will make the other side. 1, 2. 1 and 2. It will look like that. Just make it one more time. Turn back. Skip 2. Turn back and make 2. And finish it with a half double crochet. Then chain 1, turn, make a half double crochet and make back post double crochet. Just follow these stitches here. and at the end make a half double crochet again, and that's it. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please don't forget to push the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Swiss Crochet is my Instagram, Pinterest and website address. You can reach me there. And that's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.